Why did I continually try to be a people pleaser? Why did I continually, David putting on Saul's armor, and David was like, this armor don't fit me. Just give me my slingshots and rocks, and continue to try to put on other people's armor, knowing that it don't work for you. And for years, that's what I tried to do, put on other people's armor, knowing that it didn't work for me and it don't work for me. So I just want to let you know, if you take this journey, and you'll hear me say this all the time, if you follow me on this journey, it's going to be deep. It's going to be some struggles. It's going to kick up some feelings. It's, at times, like, it's like 3 o'clock in the morning right now when I started writing stuff, and I literally had to stop. Don't just keep going and let those feelings overtake you. 20 years of drugs and all that in my life, and overcoming those things with the power of God.